So now let's see how we can go ahead and link out text inside of wordpress.com. So over here you can see that I got some text right here, and let's say I want to make it clickable by going around and making it a link. So to do that, I can simply select it and then click on the link button right here. And then you can simply go ahead and choose a paste and it simply gets linked right there. You can also go around over here and let's say for example edit it and then type in, let's say for example, a particular URL like www.google.com right here. Choose this and then it will link to google.com. Apart from that, what you can actually also do is, let's say for example, copy out a link, and if you were to go ahead and then let's say for example, as I went ahead right here, so you can see that I press Ctrl C right here to copy out the link, and if I were to go around over here and select the text and press Ctrl V, it actually does not replace the particular word, but it simply creates a link with that particular address for this word. So if I were to go ahead and save this, now this becomes a linked text. So if I were to go ahead and preview this right here, and let me just scroll down, you can see that if I were to click this, you get the google.com right here. And if I were to click on this one, it actually goes to the home page of the blog website itself. So that is how you can go ahead and add in links to text inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.